Number 16, find the indicated value. We need to find the base, which is right here, base, B. They give us the area. We have a rectangle. I know that the area of a rectangle is base times height. Okay, they gave us what height is, and they gave us area. So we have 112 equals base times 7. Okay, so we need to find out what do we multiply by 7 to make 112. Well, one thing we could do is maybe guess and check. It could be like, okay, well, if base is 10, 10 times 7 is 70. So that's not big enough. 12 times 7 is 84, not big enough. But another thing we could do, so that was guess and check, but I think that's going to take a little while. So another thing we can do is we can use an inverse operation. Because if I want to find out what B equals, well, all I have to do is get rid of the 7, and it'll tell me what B equals. This is times. So inverse means if you're going to multiply, or you're going to multiply with parentheses, then if we're multiplying, the inverse of that is division. Okay, it's the opposite. It's to do it backwards, to undo it. So if I divide this by 7 on both sides, because if it's equal, that means if you do it to one side, you have to equally do it to the other side. Okay, but 7 over 7 cancels off, because that's actually 1, which gives us 1b. Okay, 7 over 7 is b times 1 now. We need to do 112 divided by 7. So let's do 112 divided by 7. All right, 112 divided by 7, well, that would be, how many 7s are in 11? I'm going to do this a different way. First thing, I'm going to find out how many 7s are in 112, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, I'm going to subtract 70, because that was 10 7s. That was 10 times 7. I'm just kind of seeing how many 7s fit into this. 112 minus 70, well, that'll be a 2, and that'll be a 4. Well, I know this is 10 times, or sorry, not 10 times 6, it'll be 7. This one will be 6 times 7. So, and that's 42, subtract them at 0. So my answer will be however many 7s we just took out, it's going to be 16. So we have 16, and we need a label. If our area was in centimeters to the second power, our length and our base and our height are in centimeters. I can also go back to the regular way we divide 7s in 11. There's one of these. So that'll be 7, subtract 4, bring it down our 2, 42. That was 6 of them, subtract 0, 16. This method over here, it's kind of like doing 112 minus 7. That'll give us 105 minus 7, which will give us 98 minus 7 will give us 91, which minus 7. And we would count how many 7s we just subtracted. But instead of that, I took out 10 at once, and then I took out 6 at once. So I did 117 minus 70, I got 42. So that was 10 of them, and then I had 6 more to take away. A total of 16. Really like this method of division. I'm going to probably try it some more. You'll probably start seeing it on a lot of these Mountain Math videos.